Hey everybody, I'll leave floors again with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're going to be giving you some tips and tricks how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. Today we're going to be talking about how to get celebration buttons at Walt Disney World. Remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can get notified every time we put up an awesome video giving you some tips and tricks. Now you see it all the time when you go to Disney World. They're on shirts, jackets, backpacks, hats, first visit. I'm celebrating. Happy birthday! Happily ever after. These buttons are everywhere. These buttons offer a wonderful way for both cast members and other guests alike to recognize your birthday, or whatever you're celebrating, depending on the button you get. Now, how do you get celebration buttons at Disney World? This part is really easy. You just have to ask, really. Once you get to the parks, try asking a cast member where you can get a button. They're free and really makes the trip that much more magical. Cast members can direct you to the closest place so you can get your very own celebration button. And sometimes cast members have them on themselves and they can just give them to you, so you don't even have to go anywhere. Now, what kind of buttons are there? First visit. That one's pretty self-explanatory. If it's your first time going to Disney, you've got to get the first visit button. Not only will it be a great and free souvenir to have, but it'll also let cast members know to make your trip the most magical experience possible. Happily ever after. Perfect for those celebrating either an anniversary, an engagement, or honeymoon. Disney offers their Happily Ever After button that both you and your special someone can wear. This sweet design is perfect for couples alike that want to celebrate their relationship together. Happy birthday! Everyone loves going to Disney to celebrate their birthday. They have a button for that too. The cast member will even write your name on it so everyone knows. Best part? You'll find yourself getting wished a happy birthday all day long while you're at the parks. People start breaking into songs. It's awesome. I'm celebrating. If none of those options seem to apply to you or why you're going to Disney, they have an I'm celebrating button. The I'm celebrating button has an area so the cast member can write exactly what you're celebrating. New job, new car, graduation, a promotion, a divorce. Whatever the reasoning is, it's sure to garner you some attention. Now, where do you get them? Guests can find these buttons just about anywhere in the parks. We recommend going to guest relations. You can also try any indoor merchandise location throughout the park, but we suggest getting them as soon as you get to the park. That way, you're maximizing your button wearing time. At Magic Kingdom, guests can pick their own button up at guest relations, located in the lobby of City Hall on Main Street. Once you enter the park, it's on the left-hand side. At Epcot, guests can pick up their button at Guest Relations, located in the World Celebration, located right behind the main Epcot ball, Spaceship Earth, on the left side. At Hollywood Studios, guests can pick up their button at Guest Relations, located on the immediate left side as soon as you enter the park. And at Animal Kingdom, Guest Relations is located at the very front of the park on the left-hand side. At all parks, there will be a sign displayed letting everyone know where Guest Relations is. There's also a map on the My Disney Experience app as well that will direct you directly to it. And of course, you can always ask a cast member as well. Here's a little tip at Animal Kingdom. If you're on the safari, the jungle trek, you can ask any of the animals too, and they'll get you a button. If you're staying on site at one of the Disney resorts, you can actually ask as soon as you check in at the front desk for a button. And if you forget, you can always stop by the front desk later. Disney Springs also has their own guest relations as well, so you're always prepared. If you open your My Disney Experience app, you can view it on the map. Guest Relations is located next to Deluxe Burger in Town Center. We hope that you have a grand old time with your new celebration buttons at Disney World. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. I'm going to go get my button. Bye.